Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'll be showing you exactly how to get and achieve shrimp in mayo to make it crunchy, creamy, and very delicious. If this is something you would like to watch, then keep on watching. Let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing we're making is the samosa wrap, and just like any wrap, you have to start with a non-stick pan. And again, as I always say in all my small chops video, is that your non-stick pan for small chop wrapper should always be the only thing you do with the non-stick pan, so that it lasts long for you. You know, the lifespan of the pan gets to last long, and then you have no problems with your samosa wrap. But guys, remember, if you want a full detailed recipe of the samosa wrap, then check out my samosa video because I have everything on there. Then let's get started. First, you want to heat up your pan, and once you notice the pan is heating up, not very hot, just hot, time to start applying your samosa wrap filling onto the pan. Remember, just like the last video, which was the shrimp roll video, this one you have to keep it very light and thin, just because we're going to be layering this over each other. We do not want thick wrappers so that they do not become too thick that we will not get to enjoy the creaminess of the shrimp. After the application, you want to make sure that every part of your wrap is dry before you peel it in. As you can see, it is gradually transitioning into the dry part from the wet. You can see obviously the difference between the wet part and the white part. So you have to wait till all the parts are white before you drag it off. That way it will be easy. The reason your samosa wrap keeps cracking is because you do not want cover the holes properly as you see me do until you don't wait till it's done before you peel it off. So guys, for the filling, you need, of course, shrimps, and these are just deveined, cleaned shrimp, and I'll be using just 4 ingredients for this, which is this Cajun spice mix, my garlic powder, and Saxon mix. You can use whatever your favorite seafood spice is, but these are the ones that I stay true to because they are so good. With these spices, you do not need Maggi cubes or salt. Just these 3 bombs and you're good to go. Once you're done mixing that, you want to put some butter in a pan. You can also use vegetable oil or whatever you prefer, but I like butter because of the flavor it gives my prawn. And then you want to saute the shrimps, sorry, not prawn, shrimps. Then you want to saute the shrimps for about 5 minutes, just until it is cooked. You don't want to overcook your shrimp now because you know we're still going to deep fry it. We just want to get it cooked here. Once that is done, set it aside. To that, you'll be adding 3 spoonfuls of mayo. I am using Bama mayonnaise. Trust me when I say Bama mayonnaise is the best. After that, you need to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. This sugar is totally optional. If you love it sweet like me, then add the sugar. If not, you can totally skip it out. Mix that thoroughly, and now it's time to put into the wrappers. Guys, you want to just put a spoonful. Now the goal is to have your cream and your shrimp exactly the same quantity, or make your cream more, because I don't know how it's possible, but it would evaporate a little bit when it's frying. And just as you would roll shrimp rolls, that is exactly how you want to roll your shrimp in mayo, and this is how it's going to come out. Always remember to seal the ends before leaving. Now on to the next. You want to repeat this same process with all your wrappers till you're done with every single one of it. Now, a few tips I can give you to make this the crunchiest thing is that 1, always make sure your wrapper can stay on top each other without tearing. Then you know your wrapper is dry. 2 is fry on low heat. I'm going to show you just exactly how I fry so that you know the tips to look out for. But always make sure that there is no holes in your wrapper and there is no place where your filling is coming out from, because this will make your shrimp in mayo burn faster and not even get done. So the small shrimp we started in the beginning gave us a total of 6 shrimp in mayo, so a little really does go a long way. Now let's move on to frying. You want to heat up your oil and make sure your oil is hot. Then drop in your shrimp in mayo fillings into the oil and keep stirring. The goal is to keep stirring. You do not just throw this into the fire and leave it as it is. This was it being fried for 7 minutes, and look, it's almost ready. You can take it out at this stage, or you can choose to leave it, but I liked it a bit brown, so I fried for a total of 10 minutes. This way I am sure that my dough is totally cooked all the way through, and as you can see, my oil is clear, meaning none of my dough broke open in the oil, because that is the worst thing that can happen to shrimp in mayo. So guys, let me know what next you would love to see me try in the comment section. But this is the second of our small chop series. The first one was the prawn roll, and this is the shrimp in mayo. This is my all-time favorite roll because it is so creamy and juicy inside, and I love it. Absolutely. And if at this point you've not liked, shared, or subscribed to my channel, please make sure to do so to help my channel. So guys, I present to you the final product. Guys, this is so creamy, so filling, so crunchy. Even after it gets cold, it still remains crunchy. It is the best. Let me know if you'll be trying it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.